Okay, well, I'm back. Yeah, it's raining outside. We've had some thunder and some lightning, and it's just, I guess you can hear it on the tarp. It's pissing. So, I guess I'm gonna start a fire, make some soup or something, have something to eat, wait for this to die down. And before dark, I gotta make it back to the truck. I forgot my headlamp. That's gonna suck. But whatever. I'm all set up inside. Here, I got my stuff down there. Stove there. It's just windy as all get it. So I'm gonna start a fire, make some soup, and have a smoke. Wait for this to chill down a bit. Be interesting to see how it goes tonight. But the way the winds are blowing, I ain't set up in the right configuration. I got the wind blowing straight through here, but we'll see how it goes. Might be nice. I don't know. It's only a one-nighter. Alright, I guess I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Ciao for now.